to compare powers, you either want them to all have the same base, the number that you're raising it to the power of. So you can clearly see that 4 cubed is going to be greater than 4 squared. Or you want to get the bases different, but the power is the same. So you can clearly see that x to the 1000 is going to be bigger than x over 2 to the 1000 because x over 2 is going to be smaller. So that's the strategy in this question. And if we look for a common factor of all the powers, it's going to be 1000. So I can write that 2 to the 5000 is actually 2 to the 5 all to the 1000. And that is going to be 32 to the 1000. And I can do the same with the other ones. So 3 to the 4000 is going to be 3 to the 4 to the 1000, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, or 9 squared. It's 81 to the 1000. So actually, this is going to be much bigger. 81 is more than twice what 32 is, and we're raising it to the power of 1000. Actually, this is much, much bigger than that one. So I can rule out A, and I can keep going then. So 4 to the 3000 is going to be 4 to the 3 to the 1000, which is 64 to the 1000. In fact, we see that this is also going to be much bigger than 2 to the 5000, but it's going to be less than 3 to the 4000, so not going to be that one. And then 5 to the 2000 is going to be 5 squared to the 1000, 25 to the 1000. Okay, you could write them in order if you wanted to, but yeah, that one's not going to be biggest. And 6 to the 1000 is already in the right format. That's clearly going to be smaller than 81 to the 1000. So our answer is B.